The AK-47, also called Kalashnikov Model 1947, is a Soviet assault rifle, possibly the most widely used shoulder weapon in the world. The initials AK represents Avtomat Kalashnikova, Russian for automatic Kalashnikov, for its designer Mikhail Timofeyevich Kalashnikov, who designed the accepted version of the weapon in 1947. Design work on the AK-47 began in 1945. It was presented for official military trials in 1947, and in 1948 the fixed stock version was introduced into active service for selected units of the Soviet Army. In early 1949, the AK was officially accepted by the Soviet Armed Forces and used by the majority of the member states of the Warsaw Pact. The model and its variants owe their global popularity to their reliability under harsh conditions, low production costs compared to contemporary weapons, availability in virtually every geographic region, and ease of use. The AK has been manufactured in many countries and has seen service with armed forces as well as irregular forces and insurgencies throughout the world. As of 2004, of the estimated 500 million firearms worldwide, approximately 100 million belong to the Kalashnikov family, 3/4 of which are AK-47s. The model is the basis for the development of many other types of individual, crew-served, and specialized firearms. AKM. The AKM Avtomat Kalashnikova Modernized, or the Kalashnikov Modernized Automatic Rifle, is a common modernized variant of the AK-47 rifle. The AKM is capable of selective fire, firing either single shots or automatic at a cyclic rate of 600 rounds per minute. Despite being replaced in the late 1970s by the AK-74, the AKM is still in service in some Russian Army Reserve and second-line units and several East European countries. The AKM features detail improvements and enhancements that optimize the rifle for mass production. Some parts and assemblies were conceived using simplified manufacturing methods. Notably, the AK-47's milled steel receiver was replaced by a U-shaped steel stamping. As a result of these modifications, the AKM's weight was reduced by about a kilogram or 2.2 pounds. The accuracy during automatic fire was increased and several reliability issues were addressed. AK-74. The AK-74, Kalashnikov's automatic rifle model 1974, is an assault rifle developed in the early 1970s as the replacement for the earlier AKM. It uses a smaller 5.45 by 39mm cartridge, replacing the 7.62 by 39mm chambering of earlier Kalashnikov pattern weapons. The AK-74 has improved firing accuracy over the AKM. This weapon retains all advantages and disadvantages of Kalashnikov design, including reliability, ruggedness, simplicity of operation and maintenance. This weapon doesn't jam or misfire in worst conditions possible. Also, it has reliable extractions, even with dirty chambering cases. This weapon can be field stripped in 1 minute without using any tools. Its design simplicity made it suitable for mass production. Its drawbacks are poor balance and ergonomics, as well as inferior firing accuracy to most Western weapons. AK-74M. The AK-74M is an improved production version of the AK-74. The AK-74M, letter M is the designation standing for Modernized. It had some improvements over the AK-74, including a standard side-folded buttstock and a standard scope rail. Soviets deemed that it was too expensive and unfeasible to adopt an assault rifle of new type. This assault rifle is fed from plastic box-shaped magazines that hold 30 rounds. It's compatible with magazines of the previous AK-74 assault rifle, as well as 45-round magazines of RPK-74 light machine gun. The AK-74M can be identified by a black polymer furniture. The previous improved production AK-74, produced since 1986 until 1991, had brownish polymer furniture. AK-100 series. The AK-100 series assault rifles evolved from the AK-74M that's widely used by the Russian Army and many other countries around the world. The AK-100 series rifles were designed in 1994. Production commenced in 1995. These assault rifles were intended for export as well as domestic market. All the AK-100 series assault rifles use the same operating mechanism designed by Mikhail Kalashnikov in the mid-1940s. These weapons can withstand any misuse and abuse that soldiers can throw at them. These assault rifles are not very accurate, but will operate in worst conditions possible. All the AK-100 series assault rifles have side-folding stocks. These weapons can mount bayonets or GP-30 under-barrel grenade launchers. Sound suppressors can also be fitted. AK-101. The baseline AK-101 is basically an export version of the AK-74M. It's chambered for a standard NATO 5.56 by 45mm ammunition that's more powerful than the Russian 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. AK-102. The AK-102 is a compact version of the AK-101 with a shorter barrel. It's also chambered for the standard NATO 5.56 by 45mm ammunition. This weapon is intended for vehicle and artillery crews, special army and police forces, and other troops that do not need a full-size assault rifle. AK-103. The AK-103 is a full-size assault rifle chambered for 7.62 by 39mm ammunition. It's the original ammunition that's used by the older AK-47 and AKM assault rifles. The 7.62 by 39mm ammunition has superior penetration and stopping power compared with NATO 5.56 by 45mm or Soviet 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. So some operators prefer this caliber. Some models of this weapon have a 3-round burst capability. AK-104. The AK-104 is a compact version of the AK-103 with a shorter barrel. It's also chambered for 7.62 by 39mm ammunition. It's compatible with magazines of the AK-47 and AKM assault rifles. The AK-104 has been exported to Venezuela and is licensed produced there. AK-105. The AK-105 is a compact version of the AK-74M with a shorter barrel. It's chambered for 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. This weapon is compatible with magazines of the AK-74. The AK-105 is used by the Russian Army and Ministry of Internal Affairs. AK-107. The AK-107 is chambered for 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. This weapon uses a so-called balancing action to counter recoil. It also has a 3-round burst capability. Otherwise, the AK-107 is similar to the AK-74M. In fully automatic mode, the AK-107 has superior accuracy to the AK-101. However, this weapon has a more complicated design. Some sources report that a limited number of these assault rifles are in service with the Russian armed forces. AK-108. The AK-108 is similar to the AK-107, but is chambered for the standard NATO 5.56 by 45mm ammunition and is intended for export. As far as it's known, the AK-108 received no production orders. AK-109. The AK-109 is similar to the AK-107, but is chambered for the 7.62 by 39mm ammunition. AK-9. The AK-9 is based on the 100 series of the Kalashnikov assault rifle variants. With its 9 by 39mm subsonic ammunition, it's especially effective, and each of the black polymer magazines holds 25 rounds of ammunition. It offers a favorable damage per shot and a good rate of fire, coupled with excellent range and high accuracy, making it suitable for close to medium-range combat. It does, however, have a smaller magazine capacity and high damage drop, limiting its effectiveness at engaging multiple enemies at longer ranges. It's nevertheless an excellent weapon, especially for its level. AK-12. The AK-12 was developed by Izmash Factory as a private venture both for domestic use and export market. The main goal developing the AK-12 was to provide tactical flexibility and ergonomics of the previous weapons. Poor balance and ergonomics were the main drawbacks of the AK-74M. Even though the AK-12 resembles previous AK-100 series weapons and uses similar operating principle, this weapon has been redesigned in many ways, though it's likely that numerous tweaks and modifications, as well as introduction of small and fiddly parts, will negatively affect legendary reliability of AK series weapons. Also, the new AK-12 is more troublesome to field strip for cleaning. AK-12K. The 5.45mm Kalashnikov AK-12K is a new type of weapon which is intended to replace previous generations of 5.45mm Kalashnikov assault rifles in service with Russian and foreign armed forces. The AK-12K retains traditional Kalashnikov-type gas-operated action with rotary bolt locking and uses magazines compatible with previous generations of 5.45mm AK-74 rifles. Thanks to redesigned barrel, gas tube, and handguard, the AK-12K offers noticeably better accuracy than its predecessors in the same caliber. AK-15. This weapon was first publicly revealed in 2016. The AK-15 is mainly aimed at elite units of the Russian military and law enforcement forces, as well as possible export customers. It's planned that the AK-15 will replace in production an AK-103 assault rifle. The AK-15 is essentially a version of the AK-12 chambered with a 7.62 by 39mm ammunition. This ammunition has superior penetration and stopping power compared with the Soviet 5.45 by 39mm ammunition, or standard NATO 5.56 by 45mm ammunition. AK-200 series. 200th series of Kalashnikov AK assault rifles was initially conceived in around 2009 in an attempt to produce an improved variant of the basic 100 series. Most improvements centered on the ergonomics. However, around 2011, development of the AK-200 was temporarily stopped and restarted in around 2016. As of now, 200 series Kalashnikov assault rifles, which include a complete family of 3 calibers, 5.45mm, 5.56mm, and 7.62 by 39mm, are offered for export sales and for domestic law enforcement users. Originally, 200 series AK rifles were displayed under names such as AK-74M1, AK-101M, AK-102M, etc. However, since 2018, these are officially designated as AK-200, AK-201, and so on until AK-205. AK-19. This assault rifle is chambered for a standard NATO 5.56 by 45mm ammunition. The AK-19 retains all features and internal layout of previous Kalashnikov assault rifles, so essentially it's similar to the previous AK-101, which was also chambered for the 5.56 by 45mm ammunition, but overall is a more modern weapon with a number of ergonomic improvements. It has a new polymer housing, including new grip, new buttstock, new rear sight post, and some other improvements.